Alright everyone, Linus here, and today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of cybersecurity. You know it's important, I know it's important, but there's a lot of misinformation floating around out there. Falling for these myths can really mess you up online, whether you're a coding wizard, a business tycoon, or just someone who likes to doom scroll on Reddit. So buckle up, because today, we're busting the top 5 cybersecurity myths that could be putting you at risk. Let's debunk this thing. Have you ever thought, nah, hackers wouldn't waste their time with little ol' me? Well, that's exactly what makes you a prime target. Cybercriminals want the biggest payoff for the least effort, and small businesses and individuals are seen as low-hanging fruit. Smaller entities are less likely to have Fort Knox-level security systems in place. Invest in solid cybersecurity measures, no matter how small you think you are. Trust me, it's a whole lot cheaper than dealing with a cyber attack. You downloaded that shiny antivirus software and feel all safe and sound. But here's the thing, antivirus is important, but it's not the be-all and end-all of cybersecurity. Antivirus programs are like bouncers at a club, great at spotting known troublemakers. But what about those sneaky, never-before-seen threats? Those zero-day vulnerabilities, phishing scams, and ransomware? You need a multi-layered approach: firewalls, strong passwords, encryption, and most importantly, education. Be aware of the threats, know how to spot them, and know what to do to protect yourself. Think of it like this: antivirus is just one tool in your cybersecurity toolkit. It's essential, but it's not the whole toolbox. Myth number 3. Public Wi-Fi is safe if I don't access sensitive information. You're at the coffee shop, airport, or library, and you see that glorious free Wi-Fi sign. You think, sweet, free internet, as long as I don't check my bank account, I'm golden, right? Wrong. Public Wi-Fi is like a free buffet for hackers. You're connecting to a network that anyone can access. Even if you're just scrolling through Instagram or reading the news, hackers can intercept your connection using a man-in-the-middle attack. The solution? A VPN. It encrypts your connection, making your data unreadable to anyone trying to snoop on you. Avoid public Wi-Fi for anything that involves logging into your accounts, especially financial ones. Just wait until you're on a secure network. It's not worth the risk. Myth number 4. Cybersecurity is only an IT issue. The IT team works tirelessly to keep our digital lives running smoothly. But cybersecurity isn't just their problem, it's everyone's responsibility. You are the first line of defense. Human error is the weakest link in the cybersecurity chain. One wrong click on a phishing email, one weak password, one outdated software, and boom! The entire company can be compromised. Everyone, from the CEO to the intern, needs to be trained in basic cybersecurity best practices. Remember, cybersecurity is a team sport. We're all in this together. Myth number 5. Strong passwords are enough. Even the most complex password isn't foolproof. Hackers use brute force attacks, trying thousands of password combinations per second. And then there are data breaches. Billions of passwords are leaked online every year. So, what's the solution? Two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's like having a bodyguard for your online accounts. Even if someone gets your password, they still can't get into your account without that second form of verification. Turn on 2FA. Your digital life might just depend on it. So there you have it. 5 common cybersecurity myths officially busted. Cybersecurity isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of digital threats. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips and cybersecurity insights, and share this video. Because when it comes to cybersecurity, we're all in this together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.